Hey guys, this is an examples video of how to get rid of decimals from linear equations. These are all examples that have parentheses. I have talked about this in detail in a lesson video, and then these are just more examples if you want to see more. So here are the three examples I'm going to go through in this video, and you can pause and read them over if you want, but I'm just going to jump right into them. Okay, so starting with the first one, so I've got 0.4 times 3x plus 1 minus 1.5 times 2x plus 1 equals 0.6 times 3 minus 3x. So first of all, notice that there are three terms or three parts here. So this one, and this one. And that's really anything separated by either the plus sign, the minus sign, or the equal sign. So we only need to move the decimals once for these, and then the number of times I have to move the decimals is just once. So you count the maximum number of decimal spots. So here I'm going to move this one once, I'm going to move this one once, and I'm going to move this one. So just like that. So what I'm left with is 4 times 3x plus 1 minus 15 times 2x plus 1 equals 6 times 3 minus 3x. And so now I'm really good to go, and I can just solve the problem like I normally would. So I can distribute and all that. So this is going to be 12x plus 4 minus 30x minus 15 equals 18 minus 18x. Okay, so now I can collect my like terms to get negative 18x minus 11 equals 18 minus 18x. And I always like to get rid of the x's first. So I'm going to add 18x to each side. And you'll notice what happens here. So negative 18x plus 18x, that means that the x's drop out entirely. So I'm just left with negative 11 equals 18. So I just have to interpret this. And this doesn't make any sense. So when that happens, you just interpret this as no solution. So what's important here is that you're getting a result that doesn't make sense. And so you can write no solution. Sometimes people make that symbol, but there you go. So moving on to B here, so we've got 0.2 times 3x plus 1 minus 0.05 times 2x plus 8 equals 0.1 times 2x plus 4. Okay, so in this case, I've got the maximum number of decimal spots is found right here, so that's 2 spots. So I'm going to move all of these over 2 spots like so. So this is going to be 20 times 3x plus 1 minus 5 times 2x plus 8 equals 10 times 2x plus 4. Okay, so now I can go ahead and distribute. So this is 60x plus 20 minus 10x minus 40 equals 20x plus 40. So now I can collect my like terms. So 60x minus 10x is 50x, and then 20x minus 40x is 20, negative 20. And so I've got that equals 20x plus 40. So now I need to get my x's to one side. So I'll subtract off the 20x to get 30x minus 20 equals 40. Now I need to bring the 20 over to the other side like this. So I get 30x equals 60. Divide both sides by 30 to get x equals 2. And that's all you have to do. You don't have to worry about anything else. Okay, so moving on to the last example. So 0.09 times 2 minus 4x minus 0.1 times 2x minus 1 equals 0.2 times 2 minus x minus 0.06 times 2 plus 6x. I can see I have to move all the decimals over 2 spots. So I'll move them all over like this. And then I can rewrite this problem. So this is 9 times 2 minus 4x minus 10 times 2x minus 1 equals 20 times 2 minus x minus 6 times 2 plus 6x. Okay, so now we can start to distribute. So this will become 18 minus 36x. Now be careful with this next one. This is a negative 10. So this will be negative 20x plus 10 equals 40 minus 20x. And then again, be careful because this is a negative 6. So this will be minus 12 minus 36x. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and collect our like terms. So I've got negative 56x plus 28 equals negative 56x plus 28. And so you might already see what the solution is, but I'll finish this. So I'll add the 56x to each side. Oops, sorry, and there's supposed to be an x here, my bad. So 56x to each side. So notice the 56x drops out. So you're just left with 28 equals 28. Now that is a true statement, and the x is dropped out. So what this means is that there are infinite solutions. And you can use interval notation if you like. And so that's it. So that covers all the examples in this video. You got any questions, you can leave me a comment. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time.